Good day everyone. I've got a Nissan Pulsar 2013. Brought here customer to check the transmission. Transmission is not working as good as before. I'll put it on the jack here and open the transmission pan gasket, and I found out that there's a piece of metal here. You see it? That piece of metal is stuck there, and also you come here. You see it in the pan. Have a look. That's the problem. Have a look. This guy is still drive, but I don't know how good, but still drive. That's not good. Look. What is this? It's a piece of clutch plate? Yeah. I don't know. Thank you.